Hey everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and I need to give you guys an update because it's been a while since I posted a video, and it's not like I'm stopping YouTube, it's time. And so many of you are waiting for that Everything Stevia Cookbook, and I am literally working nights to get that done. I'm on chapter 8 out of 12 in formatting. Everything is written. Formatting takes a long time, and I had a glitch with the program, and which stalled me about 2 weeks, but everything's on, and I'm working. Literally, I am working from 9:30 in the evening to 11 o'clock at night, from 3 in the morning to about 4 in the morning on that, on top of everything else. So I am working hard on trying to get that. This video is going to be raw, as we are just so pressed for time as fall is coming. So if it's a little shaky, that's because I'm not going to spend a lot of time editing it. I'm just going to get it on there. So a little quick update here tonight as we're having a really nice evening. Take a look at the garden, and I'm just going to go through a couple of things here. So garden wise, we have had a bumper harvest, which is keeping us busy literally all day. From, the huckleberries that are ripening here. I actually just trimmed 3 feet off. I spent the last hour trimming to really start ripening these berries, and you can see them right there, just going to town. Stevia harvesting. The popcorn there is just, it's ripening. The faba beans we've got in the freezer. We've got carrots to do and red beets to do. You can see in the distance there, I cut some squash off to harden on the racks. The peas we've harvested. The tomatoes, we're getting a bumper crop. We're saving seeds. Just every day there's things that are going on my whiteboard. We need to get this done, this done, this done. And we've had an open season so far without frost, so it's been storing and making sure that we got food, because we don't go to the grocery store to buy our food. This is what we depend on, so it's super important that becomes the highest priority right now, is all the ways to get the food stored. And more I'm drying everything, drying the red beets, drying the carrots. We dried the yellow beans and the green beans. More drying because canning, there's such a shortage and jars are expensive. I'm just finding it more versatile, and I'm really planning on showing, as I'm working more and more and learning more about drying and how to use dried foods, to really share that as I go. Now, once things slow down with the garden here, I got video. I did a whole bunch of taping with herbs. I got how to harvest chamomile, what to do with parsley, all that. It's just all in folders on my computer. It needs to be edited, but it's gonna come. It's just that our family is really important with food. We depend on this garden. I'm just gonna pull out a carrot here. Beautiful carrots. Look at that. And we're gonna dry all of these so I can just throw them in soups. I can make salads out of them, like all this good stuff. And I'm just so thankful to my Father in heaven for such a beautiful garden this year, and the perfect weather for it. It's just absolutely phenomenal. And so I just want to thank you guys for just being patient with me. With that Everything Stevia Cookbook, it's around 230 pages right now of so many recipes. I'm putting everything into that cookbook, and I want it done right, and I can't wait for you guys to try the recipes. I hope it makes a difference in so many people's lives to know how to work with stevia, know how to grow your own sugar. We have completely cut every sugar out. We completely rely on stevia now for our sugar and growing it and everything else. So I'm just pouring everything into it, literally. And it is coming out. It will come out. Just be patient. And I just want to say thank you once again, because it means a lot for you guys just to be there waiting for me, and videos will come. I just gotta prioritize right now on, you know, family, food, getting that cookbook out for you guys, getting the seed store up and running, and getting back into that formatting coming winter where I don't got this push with the garden. I can enjoy the fruits of our labor. So I just want to mention that to you, that I love all of you, and I just thank you so much for being there for everything homemade and my family. So with that being said, I'm going to load this up onto YouTube tonight, raw, unedited, and I just want to say thank you. So hang in there, videos are coming, and I will see you on the next video.